What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Atomic Autoworks. I'm Dorian, the sales manager. Unfortunately, my Ricky Bobby costume's on back order, so I'm a little overdressed for this video. However, I'm the smiling face customers see when they walk through the door. Behind me, you see this 2008 Bentley Continental GT. This car came to us an absolute disaster. The interior was utterly destroyed, and we have performed a complete interior revival. This is a recondition and repair, not a reupholstery, as a leather-wrapped dash and interior would cost upwards of $15,000 to $25,000. Today, we're going to take a look at the complicated process, the final product, and a tease of some of the other projects that we're working on, as we haven't uploaded a video in a while. If you like our content, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell. One of the biggest things that we do here is we're a real upholstery shop. We do a lot of the things that upholstery shops do not do anymore. So come on and take a walk with me and let's take a look and see what we're working on with this Bentley. So right here I have a 1968 Chevrolet Camaro, and if you look at our previous video, you'll see that we actually did the seats on this. We're restoring this vehicle to its original inception, and if you look over here, we have all the parts, and we even have some more parts over there. However, when you drop off your vehicle at Atomic Autoworks, each vehicle has its own individual workstation, and however many techs around that vehicle are working on that vehicle in its specific station. So the projects I have going on currently, obviously this Camaro, and I have a 1937 Oldsmobile. We're restoring the interior. 37 Olds has been in town since it rolled off the production line back in 1937. So there's a lot of history with that vehicle locally. Back to this one, as I said, we did a video before doing the seats on it. We still have to do the convertible top, and then we have all the parts over here to make this look like it did back in 1968. So taking a look at this '08 Bentley Continental here, we are redoing this entire interior. I had my tech Lewis, who is taping down the interior. We took out all the seats, we took out everything here in the back. The customer brought it in, and the previous owner had put a ton of aftermarket additions on it. He even put Sharpie on the stitching. So I got my guys here at work doing the best quality work to restore this to how it was before the previous owner decided to modify it. So if you come on over to this side here, you'll see some of the progress. Before, there was literally red Sharpie all in the stitching. There were stickers on top here, and there were even a sticker covering the Bentley logo. We had to get that all off. They actually used super glue when they did it, so it was a little bit of a project, but the before and after results are starting to really show. So we take a look over here at the side interior panels, we'll see there was chrome and super glue under the chrome all over these panels. We managed to get them off, sand it down a little bit, and dye it so it looks a lot better. One of my techs here, Lewis, is working on the project diligently. What are your thoughts on the 08 Bentley Continental, Lewis?
It was really rough. A lot of super glue.
A lot of it. Gorilla Glue, you think? Possibly a little Gorilla Glue. So we're working hard at getting this back to looking good so the customer could drive off into the sunset. It's a little cloudy today, so maybe tomorrow he'll drive off into the sunset. When we look over further here, this is the historic 1937 Oldsmobile where we're restoring the interior to how it used to look when it rolled off the production line back in 37. Right now, we have everything out of the car on the interior of it. Let's see if I could get you in here to take a look. There's a lot of room in this car. We're going to be restoring this interior to its original material. It currently has leather in it, however, we are going to be doing the original look of wool and mohair. Let's take a look at the current interior now. Some of the cars did come with leather, however, this one did not, so we're taking on the job of restoring it to its original look. And just real quick, I'm going to touch base on this Triumph TR6. We are doing the interior on this one as well. This old Roadster here. We're doing the seats, we're doing the dash, we're getting this all ready for the customer. So Rick, what are you working on here?
Well, I'm fixing these broken clips on these. Goes behind the back seat, covers the headrest. Front, the clips were broken off, so I fixed them. They're as good as new.
There you go. Well, after a week of hard work, what are you doing this weekend? Anything special? Anything fun?
I'm always doing something fun. I got 4 grandkids. I always have a good time.
Nothing better than that. We got Lewis over here, who's always working on something different. When he's not working, he's actually working. So Lewis, what do you got planned for the rest of the day? I know you were doing an OptiSpark delete on a Camaro. You still doing that?
I'm waiting to hear back and see the kit actually in person.
Oh, the torque head, right? My buddy Wade helped you with that. So what else you got going on?
Other than that, stare at my truck that's still not finished, waiting for some more parts.
Everybody's usually waiting for parts any which way you go with it, so. Hey, that's good to know. Yeah. Keep me updated on that Camaro, though. You like the LT1 platform.
I'm going to drive it here.
Oh, you are? No, he'd say for sure. So we're almost done with this project. If you take a look, we're just getting the seats put back in. Those are all set up, and then all we have left are the driver's seat and the passenger seat, and then the bottom rests here to put back in. And this car is ready to go shortly after. We're over here in our body and paint shop. I just wanted to show you, right now, restoring trucks is becoming a very popular thing. So as it becomes harder to find a decent power wagon, next generation where they redesigned the Dodge Ram is becoming very popular, and many people are taking their trucks, whether they have, example, this one here with 70,000 original miles, a 2500 Cummins, or an 03 with 200 plus on it. Doesn't matter, it's becoming very popular to take these old body style Dodge Rams and paint them up, restore them, and make them look good. Right now, Ram is actually one of the most popular trucks and the highest selling truck, I believe, in America currently. A lot of people are taking the older Rams and making them look as stylish as possible. If anybody has a Dodge Ram they want us to make look beautiful, well, you've come to the right place. Let's take a look and see the project that we currently have going on with this Dodge Ram Cummins. The gentleman wanted to paint this the original forest green metallic color, so we're in the process of doing that. Truck's super clean. If we could get a shot over here just to see the frame, barely any rust for a truck that's over 20 years old. Papa, I don't mean to interrupt the master at work, but I just wanted to pop right in and ask you, what are your thoughts on that truck? It's got 70,000 original miles. You could practically eat off that frame too.
I think it's clean.
How's it been mixing that color to green?
Green is already mixed, it's right here.
Nice. So we're ready to rock and roll, it seems.
Just threw down sealer, and now I gotta throw down some black base coat over it, and then some green over it.
And then she'll be ready to go? So she should be ready to go right after that.
Within the next 45 minutes. It'll be done.
Fantastic. That's what I like to hear. We'll let you get back to it. Thank you, Papo.
I'll see you guys.
Hey, man, have a good one. The 2008 Bentley Continental is finally complete. These these were some of the things that were on the vehicle. They used super glue on these stickers and a lot of other accents of the vehicle, from little carbon fiber stuff to seat belt covers. They did a number on this car, but this is the end result we're gonna show you right now. Every panel of the car was sanded down and dyed, and the revival project, it wasn't an easy one, but this is the end result for the 2008 Bentley Continental GT.